Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Mongo tutorials. So today we are going to update a row. So let's get started how we are going to updating a row. So let me go to my Robo Mongo and see which row we are going to update it. So let's connect it and we are on the Merge stack yesterday. So let's going to show DBs and we are use Merge stack and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and use this one, show collections. You can see the all collections over here, and we have the post, so you can add with the post find this, find one, not find all. Here we can add the find with pretty. Okay, so we have three posts, so I'm going to update any of the posts. So how we are going to update it? So let's, this is the code for updating one. This is a post update, title post 2. Okay, and that should be the body, new post for 2, date this one, and upset true. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this post 2. Which one is post 2? This one, post 2. And we have to update the body should be the this one. Okay, and let's enter modified and let's see the pretty one, and you can see that your post 2 new body is inserted with this one. Okay, so this is how we can update new body. You can see the new body post for this one current, before it is body for the post 2. So this is how we can update the row in the MongoDB shell. Okay, so any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.